Okay, now we need to get our VAT rate or tax rate if you're not familiar with VAT. If you open our business.php file, after our get business method, let's create a new one, public function get VAT rate, and opening a curly brace. Okay, first thing we're going to do here is we're going to create the business variable, and we'll assign the value this of this get business method within our business class. Then we want to return business and the index of VAT rate from it. And that's basically everything inside of this get VAT rate. So our get VAT rate method has been taken care of. Now if we go back to our basket, and we obviously have all 4 of those methods here, which we call in a constructor. Okay, so after our constructor, we create another public function called number of items, no items. And first of all, we create a variable called value equals 0. We assign the 0 to it, and we check if this empty basket, basically if basket isn't empty, obviously we've got this exclamation mark here, so if it isn't empty, then for each session basket as key equals basket, then value plus equals, which basically adds to this variable. So every time it loops, the value increases by the value of the basket quantity. Because we're checking the quantities. We're going to be displaying actually number of quantities. Number of items will be number of quantities of items, of all items in the basket. Okay, and then this underscore number of items equals value. So now we've added value to our parameter, our property. Okay, so we've got our number of items. Now subtotal. So after number of items, we create another public function number subtotal. Now this method will work in a very similar way if we copy the entire content of the number of items. So we've got subtotal value by default is 0 as well. We check in whether basket is empty for each session as key equals basket. And now rather than adding quantity this way, we're going to first create the product variable, and we'll assign instant of catalog and get product together with the key of the product taken from this array. Okay, and then to the value, again plus equals, because we add in basket quantity time product price. So we're basically taking the quantity key depending on the different products, how many products we've got in a basket, and obviously each product has its own quantity. So quantity of this product time the price of the specific product populated from this get product method inside of the catalog class. So the value will be calculated here. Okay, after all this, again, rather than number of items this time, we'll assign the value to the subtotal as it's without the tax yet. And we want to round it to 2 decimal places. Okay, we've got two other methods left, VAT and total. Let's have a look at them in the next video.